Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from American Trucks, and today I'm here with the MBRP 4-inch P-Series single exhaust side exit for your 11 to 14 F150 with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. This is a great upgrade for anyone looking to replace their factory F150 EcoBoost exhaust for a little more power and sound for a very affordable price. This is a great exhaust system for those of you that are looking to keep that single side exit style and aren't really trying to spend too much money. Now, MBRP does make higher quality full stainless steel setups, and they're gonna be way more corrosion resistant. However, they are gonna cost you a lot more money. This is an easy bolt on that's gonna improve exhaust flow and give you a rich mellow tone. This is made of heavy duty steel and has an aluminized coating, which is going to add to the long lasting durability, and the mandrel bent tubing and welded hangers are going to make for a direct fit, making it for a very easy install. On a scale of 1 to 5, as far as loudness goes, I'm going to rate this at about a 3 since it's loud and throaty but not overbearing. Now this comes as a complete kit and it's going to be one of your most affordable options on the site when compared to others of the same design at around $300. I think for the price, ease of install, and sound that this is one of the best options to go with and the best bang for your buck. Now as far as install goes, I am going to give this a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since depending on your cab and bed configuration, you may need to trim the exhaust a little bit. However, you should be able to install this in about 2 hours using basic hand tools. Now with that being said, let's hop into the install. So now that we have the truck up in the air, the first thing we're going to do is spray these hangers in these mounts so they'll come out a lot easier. I'm going to use some WD-40. So all of our hangers are facing forward except for this one. So I'm going to unbolt this hanger mount from our frame, so when we get it all loose, we can slide everything back and out. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and remove these 2 bolts here. So next we're going to go up to the front of this Y at this connector, and we're going to take these 2 bolts out. We're going to use a 13mm socket to remove both of those, and then we can slide the exhaust back. So we're going to hold onto this section of this pipe as we take this last bolt out because it can swing down. So now that we have the rest of the exhaust disconnected, we're going to go ahead and slide this whole system back. You're going to have to get it out of 3 hangers, so we're going to use pry bars to pry this out. So we have our stock exhaust uninstalled and we're just about ready to install our new MBRP exhaust system. However, since I have these 2 next to each other, I just want to go over some of the features and compare the 2. Now the stock exhaust is going to have a resonator and a chambered muffler. Not only that, but the tubing is only 2.5 inches in diameter. It does widen up a little bit at 3 inches after the muffler. However, it's not great for sound or airflow. This system is going to be 4 inches from front to back, but it has a straight through muffler design. This is going to be great for increased power and sound. Not only that, but it's going to reduce your EGTs and it's going to allow for better spooling with your turbo. This is made of heavy duty steel, so it's going to handle up, and it has an aluminized coating, so it's going to be corrosion resistant. This comes as a complete kit and is really easy to install, and it even comes with all brand new hangers. This whole system is going to fit right in those factory locations and make for a very quick install. Now MBRP does make stainless exhaust systems, which are going to last you a little longer, but they are going to cost you a lot more. I think this, for the ease of installation and the money, is a great way to go. We're going to get this installed and show you how to do it. So we're going to start with the front pipe. I'm going to use a pole jack to hold up the back end, and then we're going to install this front section using the supplied hardware. So we're going to install a bolt with a flat washer, and then on the other side we're going to do a flat washer, a lock washer, and the provided nut. We're going to do the same thing on the other side of our flange. So we have our front pipe in. The next thing we're gonna do is install our muffler and our hanger. Now, if you have a longer truck, like a 4-door with an 8-foot bed, they provide you with an extension pipe and you'll need to install that next. So we're gonna install our clamp on our muffler. Now the clamp we're using is the one with the longest hanger on it, and we're gonna face that towards the front of the truck. So we're gonna place our hanger through our mount, and then we're gonna get this pipe to line up and slide our muffler on. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna reposition your pole jack. Next, we can put our next clamp with our welded on hanger onto the back end of our muffler and through our mount. So our next step is we're gonna install this axle over tailpipe section. So we're just gonna slide that up and on and insert that in the hanger. So once you get all of your exhaust adjusted and all the hangers on, we're gonna start tightening everything up. I'm gonna start here at the front, and we're gonna use a 14mm socket and a wrench to tighten up these 2 bolts, and we'll work our way back. So for the band clamps, we're gonna use a 15mm socket. You wanna make sure that they're pretty even on the ends, and then you can tighten them down. So that's gonna wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at AmericanTrucks.com.